Peloton is no longer going to make their own hardware. They've been having some problems, some trouble. COVID, the demand was bananas, and they did the treadmills, and they had some bad press. And then they had too much inventory, and then, hey, Apple, do you want to buy us? And Apple's like, nah, we're good. And it's been tough for them to manage. Hardware is a crazy business. Big hardware, too. Treadmills and bikes and subscriptions and so forth. Well, one way they could simplify, they will be simplifying their business model, is to get away from producing the hardware themselves and instead turning to the companies that create hardware for companies like Apple, companies like Quanta and Pegatron. That Quanta and Pegatron, the same guys who are making your MacBook, could be making your next Peloton device. They've given up on looking for a big-time investor. They originally, I guess, were looking for somebody to take around 20% of the company. Apple was being rumored as a potential to buy them, but they had their own fitness product at the time, subscription product, Apple Fitness Plus. Maybe another thing that happens here, because they did have difficulty with that treadmill, that this is, it puts a little distance, or possibly brings hardware expertise, engineering, just more people in the mix, and different liabilities too, possibly, over who manufactures. I don't know how all that works, but we'll see what happens with them.